Hi, I just wanted to review briefly about how to do bank reconciliation in using Excel or by hand manually. So this is an example of bank reconciliation. It starts with bank statement balance, which is different from my book balance. My book balance is the balance I have on my book on my general ledger as my company's cash balance. These balances are different. So there's a difference. So we are trying to reconcile the difference. In this case, we're going to start with bank statement balance. Then we're going to add deposits in transit. That means this is the deposit I made as a bookkeeper or person who goes to the bank toward the end of the month. So the bank hasn't been able to process it yet and it does not show on the bank statement. So since bank does not know that we made that deposit toward the end of the month, bank's balance does not show that in-transit deposit. So I would add that to the bank balance. Then I will also deduct some of the outstanding checks. Outstanding checks mean that these are the checks I have issued. As a bookkeeper, I issued these 3 checks to my suppliers. But the bank did not receive these checks from the suppliers. They have not deposited these checks yet. So they are outstanding. Since bank does not know these checks were issued by me, the balance does not reflect that. So we're going to take these out from the bank's balance. So starting from bank's statement balance, we add the in-transit deposits and we take out the outstanding checks. Then we have the adjusted bank balance. So this amount should equal to my adjusted book balance. So what should I adjust on my book? Well, we're going to start with my book balance. And if there's anything that I was not aware of that bank has prepared for us, for example, they may have received some interest or some payment from my customers. Maybe my customer made an arrangement that they will directly make a deposit to my bank without going through me. So I did not know about this. Maybe I have known it, but I didn't put on my book yet. So I will put these additions that I was not aware of until I got the bank statement. So I will add these to my book balance. And in this case, there's a non-sufficient fund check. That means a check that I deposited was bounced. There was not enough money in the bank. The customer gave me a bad check. So that amount has been returned. And also bank also charged me some fees. So these items will be shown on my bank statement. So these items should be taken out from my book balance. So once I do that, if I do everything correctly, the adjusted bank balance and my adjusted book balance should match. When we do that, this is what we call bank reconciliation.